Hello, and welcome back to Destin Learning. One of the hottest areas of artificial intelligence is deep learning. In this video, we're going to take a look at an overview of deep learning as well as some of the tools and use cases. Let's go ahead and get started. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, mimics the human brain in processing data. It drives advancements in AI, allowing machines to recognize images, understand natural language, and play complex games. This article explores deep learning's definition, use cases, advancements, and tools. Deep learning models use artificial neural networks with many layers to recognize patterns in large datasets. These models automatically learn data representations through feature learning, eliminating the need for handcrafted features. Deep learning is used in various industries for its pattern recognition capabilities. Notable applications include image and video recognition, such as facial recognition systems, medical imaging diagnostics, and autonomous driving technologies. Deep learning powers NLP applications such as virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, machine translation, and sentiment analysis systems. These technologies rely on deep learning for understanding user queries, translating text, and analyzing sentiment in text. Deep learning models significantly enhance the accuracy of speech recognition systems like Google Assistant and automated customer service agents, providing accurate responses and improved interactions. Deep learning is revolutionizing healthcare by aiding in drug discovery, disease diagnosis, and creating personalized treatment plans based on genetic information. DeepMind's models, AlphaGo and AlphaZero, showcase the power of deep learning by achieving human-level performance in complex games such as Go and chess. Transformer models, introduced in 2017, like GPT-4 and BERT, have revolutionized NLP. Using self-attention mechanisms, they enhance contextual understanding, improving machine translation, text generation, and question-answering systems. Generative adversarial networks, or GANs, are deep learning models with two networks, a generator and a discriminator. They compete to generate realistic images, videos, and deepfake content. Deep learning combined with reinforcement learning has revolutionized autonomous systems. Examples include self-driving cars and game AI agents. Reinforcement learning agents learn to make decisions in complex environments by maximizing cumulative rewards. Transfer learning reduces the data and time needed to train models by using pre-trained models on large datasets and fine-tuning them for specific tasks. It's especially useful in fields with limited labeled data. TensorFlow, developed by Google, is a widely used open-source library for deep learning. It supports both research and production use cases, making it easy for developers to build and train models. PyTorch, created by Facebook, is known for its flexibility and ease of use. It's popular among researchers due to its dynamic computational graph, which enables easier debugging and experimentation. Keras is a high-level neural networks API that simplifies building complex deep learning models. It runs on top of TensorFlow and is accessible to beginners. Hugging Face Transformers is a popular library for NLP applications. It offers pre-trained models like GPT and BERT, which can be fine-tuned for specific tasks with minimal effort. JAX, developed by Google, is a library that enables high-performance numerical computing. It's particularly useful for machine learning research and deep learning tasks, offering differentiation and optimization capabilities. Deep learning has revolutionized AI, enabling machines to perform tasks that once required human intelligence. It is transforming industries like healthcare, autonomous driving, and natural language processing. Recent advancements include transformer models, GANs, and reinforcement learning. Tools like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Hugging Face help developers build and deploy models. Deep learning's influence will continue to grow, shaping the future of AI. Thank you so much for your interest in this video. If you'd like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to our channel. I'll see you in another video soon.